So here is that data after outlier removal. And I rescaled it by subtracting 50 from either dimension. So this goes from 50 to 120, even though it says 0 to 70. And the same is true over here. And now you can see the guesses are more rational. They seem to line up a little bit in linear fashion. And they're certainly increasing, which means people who guessed a high weight for me today, as in the vertical axis, likely also guessed a high age for me last year. So the guesses aren't entirely random. So what we're going to ask is, how do the guesses from last year in the horizontal axis correlate with the guesses from this year? I'm going to ask you what line best describes this data. And we're going to compute this using the formulas we learned about in class. So here's a quick quiz for you. If we look at that data between axis X and Y, I will soon let you calculate the correlation R. But for now, I want you to look at this and tell me your best guess of R. I give you a couple of hypotheses. -1, -0.7, 0, +0.7, and +1. And none of those is absolutely correct, but one of them is quite close. And I think you can figure out which one it is. So please check one of these 5 boxes, exactly one of those.